Hi everyone, hope you're having a good day. I found this new product called Alana Mitchell. I've actually partnered with her on showing you guys what it's like to have this incredible mask. It's pretty simple. All you do is pop the top and it releases this solution down into the bottom of this little barrel here. Inside there is this little capsule with some solution that this collagen drops into. So it's super easy to put on. They're great for travel. Got a discounted offer for this mask. Swipe up for more details. This is one and done, 15 minutes. Put it on, peel it off. You won't find another mask like this. It's infused with everything that your skin needs. It reduces the fine lines and wrinkles and any impurities in your skin. So it's really incredible. So don't forget to swipe up for the discount code and more details. Gotta try it. I'm getting ready to go to work, and so I thought I'd show you how easy it is to take this mask off. You just take a corner of it and start peeling, and you will see youthful skin, but it's just super easy and you don't even have to use water. My skin feels incredible. I don't even think I'm gonna put makeup on today for work. So if you're interested in this great mask, use the discount code I have below and swipe up.